Hello viewers, first of all I thank you for watching my channel. Today I will tell you what is a screenshot and how to capture screenshots. A screenshot, sometimes called a screen capture, an image of a computer screen that can be saved as a graphic file. Various software are available for creating screenshots, but it is easy to do it without any special program. No need to install unnecessary software. Very few people check out every accessory that is offered on Windows. Many people are not aware of the Microsoft snipping tool. People who have been using PCs most of their life are not aware of snipping tool. So now do watch and see how snipping tool works. The best way to do is screenshot. For example, we have to take a screenshot of this screen. For example, we have to take the screenshot of this screen. So we will click start. Here you will see snipping tool. Now this window will come. This is a dialog box. So we will click, and here will be 4 options: free from snip, rectangular snip, window snip, full screen. We want to take full screenshot of this screen. You see, now we got image of that screen. Now we will save this to our computer. We will click here, save button. Now the option is where to save this picture or this image. So we will see on the desk. We will save it on our desktop, and the file name is screen. Image name screen. Now we will click save button. Now this image is saved in our computer. I show you once again. For example, we have to screenshot of this page, this screen. We will repeat it. We will go to the snipping tool and we will click same full screen snip. Now you see we got the screenshot. Very easy, very user friendly, no need of unnecessary software. So we will save now this to our same desktop. Screen 2. We will save. Now this image is saved in our computer. That's it. I do hope that you like this video. If you like this video, please do comment and subscribe our channel for more videos. Thank you.